Welcome to a short video tutorial on how to use the thermostat in your room to improve the comfort of your living environment. Let's start by explaining how the heating and air conditioning system in your room operates. Each room is equipped with its own HVAC unit. This means that the air that is heated and cooled is the air present in your room and is not brought in from the outside or shared with other rooms. Each room comes with a thermostat that allows you to set a comfortable temperature for you and your roommates, with some limitations. Each residential building is automatically set to either heating mode or cooling mode depending on the outside air temperature. When it is cold outside, the building will be in heating mode and your HVAC unit will only provide heating to your room. Similarly, when it is warmer outside, the building will be in cooling mode and your HVAC unit will only provide cooling to your room. So regardless of how you set your thermostat, you will only get heating or cooling depending on the mode the building is in. So pay close attention to the outside air temperature. Here's some advice on how to adjust the thermostat in your room to maximize your comfort. First, when you are not in your room, it is suggested that you turn your thermostat and HVAC unit off. By doing so, you can prevent your room from being overheated if the building switches to heat mode while you are away. If you want to cool down your room, be prepared to switch the thermostat to cooling mode midday and to keep it in cooling mode during the afternoon hours. Additionally, for extra cooling at night, it is recommended that you open your room window to allow cooler outside air to enter your room. You can place a fan in front of the window to increase the circulation of cooler air. A good starting point is to set your thermostat to 72 degrees and then adjust it up or down based on your comfort level. If you think your thermostat or HVAC unit are not working properly, please submit a service request through the housing portal and one of our maintenance technicians will come out to inspect your room and make any needed repairs. Thank you for your attention. We look forward to serving your needs while you are in pursuit of your academic success. Have a great semester.